Hi all. In this video, we will be discussing on the DataHub installation only using the Docker command. In previous video, what issue we have faced actually that CLI version and what DataHub install on the using the container, right? The image which we pulled actually has a different version because we don't have a control on the quick start. So what we do actually direct quick start we have installed it. So the head tag has been taken out actually and it has a different version. So in this video, we will be changing this one and will be a custom DataHub image, not image, a Docker compose will be creating and will with that one will be executing it. You're removing the issue, right? Here the version 01.00 RC1 release candidate. It's not even a stable version, release candidate only. And here we have DataHub 050. Okay, I have copied the quick start compose YAML and I just kept it in the demo folder. Okay, Docker compose. I just let me open it. Delete. Let me copy this one. Get it. Okay. Now what I have changed in the Compose YAML, I'll show you. This the Confluent version and all 7.40. Where and all we have issue with the version. Okay. So where and all in the previous thing, if you are seeing the data hub version will be here, the tag will be head. So I just made it as what are the which data hub version I should use 0.15. I think here also data action version is different. Okay. The data hub version only I'm changing it. Okay, front end image, where and all data hub version. Okay, data hub version 0.15.0. Docker compose YAML. Okay, yeah. And one way you can do is they are mentioning here. You can use the quickstart compose file, DataHub Docker quickstart and compose file, or you can pass DataHub Docker quickstart -f and the file also you can pass it -f. Okay, so this will be doing it. Now what I will be doing, I have it right. I told right I will be doing with the Docker compose. That is more easy and so demo, I have the demo folder only kept it. We'll go to this demo folder. Okay. And I'll be first what I'll be doing, I'll go here. I'll be totally removing all this one container which is running. Delete it. And if any image has been downloaded, that also I'll totally will deleting it. ODMs, everything. Okay. So I'll be starting fresh. Then what I'll be doing, I'll put this folder. We have, let's see whether anything is running or not. Nothing will not be see. Nothing is running. So no, nothing need to be down. Then again, Docker compose -f Docker compose YAML. This Docker compose command is there. In this Docker compose, you have just to pass -f, then Docker compose up -t. Okay, this is more useful while going further. So if we want to make any changes in the compose file or any we have to use their base image and build on our own image for some RBAC or anything. So this will be more useful. That's why I'm started with this one. Docker compose -f Docker compose YAML down. Now if we go to this page, right, DataHub page, let's refresh it. Nothing will it will be getting error only. Yeah, because all the services we have been removed it. Now it has to start again. It's creating it. Wait for some time. Has been restarted and the service is up. Now if we go to the Docker, I think containers. A demo folder will be there. Inside the demo container, multiple containers are running. Okay. If you see the images, almost everything is whatever the required thing is week 115 server. I have kept it. Now let's see what is there in the this one. Let me sign out. Okay. So when did I just reloaded sometime back this one. So when you do the initial time, right, it takes some time to reflect this all stuff. At 1 2 minutes you have to wait it to load the UI properly. Now if you see here, this is a 15.0 version we can see here. Okay. Now if you go here, we have analytics, one active users, that me only, monthly users. Here we can see kind of dashboard. Okay. In dashboard, what we can see. Mm, okay, multiple things are there. I'll come to this one, and if you go, and we made the, and govern is there, ingestion is there, and we can see data set. Okay, so I'll come to the UI in the next video. I will be explaining the UI. Then no, I will be explaining the UI. Then in subsequent video, I'll be pushing one basic lineage using the Spark, and will be showing the data set, all this information. Okay.